Graduate student here at Babson College. The business that I would like to pitch is called Reuben International. Over the summer, I worked for a jewelry manufacturer. My job was to help the designer in the whole process of taking a customer's sketch and turning that piece into an actual ring. That process takes about 15 days. And the reason why it's so long is because the customer has to scan in or mail in some kind of sketch or a model that he thinks he wants his jewelry to look like. He will send that to the designer. The designer will have to make a digital prototype, send it back to the customer for their authorization. The customer has to approve. It gets sent back to the designer. Designer has to make a 3D rendered model. The 3D rendered model must now get approved by the customer. Once the customer actually gives the final approval, there's lag time on how the transaction is going to proceed. After that process, finally the ring has to be manufactured. There has to be a better way. The online jewelry industry is a huge market. It's $3 billion. In the next 5 years, it's going to double. Online jewelry is 5% of the market right now. And online sites such as Blue Nile and other jewelry companies use the same basic template for selling their jewelry. They don't give the customer the ability to customize their piece. The customer must just look at a catalog and pick the ring. They don't even have a 3D rendering. Jewelry My Way, which is basically the prototype that we have up here on the board today, lets the customer, in a real-time capability, create their own ring by setting their own mounting, choosing from 300 different varieties of bands, choosing from different diamonds, colors, different sizes, different quality, all real time. The program will basically know what the market value is for gold, what the actual price for the diamond is at that present day. If the customer goes on the website 3 weeks later and diamond prices go up, the website will be able to identify that and prices will be adjusted. It's about time that the jewelry industry decided to go the just-in-time route. Why pay so much for jewelry pieces when you don't have to? The reason jewelry markup is so high is because the manufacturer and the retailer has to put in place some allotted amount of money for rings that aren't sold. The inventory is just so high, and just-in-time jewelry will fix that problem. Where we would basically position ourselves compared to the retail stores and online jewelry stores are, we'd be on the higher customization section with a lower price than the retail jewelry stores, and just a slight higher price than the online retail stores because of our 3D software and our fast delivery process. The competencies that I bring to the table, my family has been in the jewelry and diamond industry for over 25 years now. And I myself am the president of Orion, which is a men's diamond belt company. I live and breathe the luxury industry, and this is why I know it will succeed. I've already been able to secure a first round of funding, which is going to take me through for the next 4 months. But now I need your help. I need you to take me to the next level. I need the second round funding where I can actually produce this prototype, have a patent on it, have it stay in America. And if you guys have any questions or would like to hear more about this idea, please stop by inside the lounge and I'd love to speak with you. Thank you so much.